Adding an employee. In ACI365, add employee information and create login credentials for people who work for the office, including appraisers and office staff. In the Management section, click Employees and Appraisers, and click the Add Employee link. Enter the employee's name, telephone numbers, address, and email address. Select a username and a temporary password. Employees can change their passwords when they log in the first time. Select a challenge question and answer. If the employee forgets the password in the future, a correct response to the challenge question allows the employee to create a new password. Enter an appraiser's certification and/or license information and expiration date. Select an access level: owner, manager, or employee. The owner has access to add, change, or edit all information in the ACI365 site. Only one owner role is allowed per company. Managers have access to prepare, change, and edit all information in the ACI365 site except company information. Managers cannot edit the company information. Employees have access to their own records and can enter status updates and view pay history. Employees cannot add new orders. Designate employee permissions with the Employee Access checkboxes. Each checkbox corresponds to an icon on the ACI365 homepage. Use the All and None buttons to quickly select all or none of the checkboxes. To enable access, select a feature. To disable access, deselect a feature. In the Employee Type section, select Active Appraiser if the employee is an active appraiser. Select Appraiser Supervisor if the appraiser is a supervisory appraiser. An appraiser supervisor must also be an active appraiser. Select Quality Control if the employee performs other report functions, for example, a bookkeeper or proofreader. If applicable, select the appraiser's default supervisor and quality control person. Employees designated as appraiser supervisor are included in the supervisor list. Employees designated as quality control are included in the quality control list. Enter the payment method details: a percentage of the appraisal fee or a flat fee. A different supervisor and quality control person can be selected when entering an order. If the payroll option has been enabled in ACI365, enter the appropriate wage details. Select a payment method. Enter the dollar amount and/or percentage for the selected payment method. If the employee is paid only after the client pays, select Appraiser Paid when client pays. Only orders marked paid are available when payroll is calculated. Indicate the payroll interval for this employee. If the employee's taxes are withheld by the company, select Yes. If the employee pays his or her own taxes directly to the IRS, select No. If withholding taxes as a percentage, enter the appropriate percentages for the Federal Withholding Allowance, FWA, the Federal Insurance Contributions Act, FICA, and state income tax. If withholding taxes is a dollar amount from the IRS tax tables, leave these fields blank. The dollar amounts are entered when payroll is calculated. Click Add to add the employee, and click Home to return to the ACI365 homepage.